Hey guys, week 6, day 5 questions. Question number 1. What unexpected change did scientists notice in the Hudson River in 2005? Was it A, that zooplankton had returned to the same levels as before the zebra mussel invasion? B, the total number of zebra mussels in the Hudson River had returned to almost zero? C, the zebra mussels in the Hudson River had stopped eating all types of plankton? Or was it D, the average size of the plankton in the Hudson River was decreasing? Go to paragraph 1 on page 629 and that will help you figure out that answer. Question number 2. What caused the number of zooplankton in the Hudson River to increase? Was it A, the decline in the number of phytoplankton? B, the decline in the number of native mussels and clams? C, the decline in the number of small zebra mussels? Or D, the decline in the number of large zebra mussels? Go to paragraph 3 on page 629 and this will help you, or that will help you with this question. Number 3. Read these sentences from the text. As zooplankton rebounded, so did native mussels and clams. Scientists anticipate some fish species will rebound too as their food supply increases. What conclusion can you draw about zooplankton based on this evidence? Is it A, zooplankton eat native mussels, clams, and some fish species? B, zooplankton are similar organisms to certain mussels and clams? C, zooplankton are an important food source for native mussels, clams, and fish? Or D, zooplankton are a more important food source for more species than phytoplankton? Question number 4. What relationship could scientists track in order to see whether or not blue crabs were the main reason that large zebra mussels had declined? Do you think it would be A, the relationship between the size of the zebra mussels and the size of the blue crabs over 1 year? B, the relationship between the average number of large zebra mussels and blue crabs over time? C, the relationship between the average numbers of blue crabs and phytoplankton over time? Or D, the relationship between the size of blue crabs and the size of zooplankton over 1 year? And since we're talking about the blue crabs and the zebra mussels, that should give you a hint as to which one you think it would be. Okay? But if you have questions on that one, holler at me. All right. Question number 5. What is the main idea of this text? Okay, the main idea of the whole reading passage. All right. Is it A, the number of large zebra mussels in the Hudson River has gone down in recent years, but scientists predicted that change and are not surprised by it? B, the number of small zebra mussels in the Hudson River has unexpectedly gone down in recent years, so scientists have decided to change the focus of their studies on the Hudson River? C, the number of zooplankton in the Hudson River have unexpectedly gone up in recent years, so scientists expect the number of zebra mussels to increase as well? Or D, the number of large zebra mussels in the Hudson River has unexpectedly gone down in recent years, but scientists will continue to study the river to understand the invasion's changing impact. All right, which one of those best describes the main idea of the whole reading passage? All right, read these sentences from the text. These new effects rippled through the food web. As zooplankton rebounded, so did native mussels and clams. Scientists anticipate some fish species will rebound too, as their food supply increases. What does the author mean by the phrase rippled through the food web? Is it A, did not impact other parts of the food web? B, had effects on other parts of the food web? C, caused harm to other species in the food web? Or D, completely changed the relationship in the food web? Number 7. Choose the answer that best completes the sentence. Zebra mussels can live 6 or 7 years. Now it seemed that most were dying after only 1 or 2 years. Okay, what fits best in that blank? Is it A, since, B, because, C, although, or D, for example? Put each one of those choices in the blank in the sentence and reread it and choose the one that makes the most sense to you. Question number 8. What happened to different living things in the Hudson River ecosystem almost 20 years after the zebra mussel invasion? Make sure to mention the changes in at least 3 populations in your answer. Go to paragraph 2 on page 630, and that will help you with this answer. Question number 9. What does the number of zooplankton in the Hudson River show about the large zebra mussels in the river? Use the evidence from the text to support your answer. Paragraph 3, page 629 will help you with this. And question number 10. One question that scientists have not yet answered is what caused the number of large zebra mussels to decline? How might tracking different parts of the ecosystem over a long time help scientists to answer this question? Paragraph 3, page 630 will help you with that answer. All right, that's it for this week. Have a great weekend. Don't forget to fill out your survey, and I will see you on Monday.